In this video, you'll learn how to connect an integration in your Cursor account, starting from the main website and ending with a successful connection inside your dashboard. First, open your web browser and head over to the Cursor website. On the homepage, look for the option to sign in. Go ahead and log in using your usual account details. Take a moment to make sure you're signing in to the correct workspace or account, especially if you have access to more than one. This will help you avoid connecting an integration to the wrong place. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. From here, your goal is to get to the integrations area. Depending on your layout, you might see a direct integrations tab in the main navigation menu, usually along the side or at the top of the screen. If you don't see it right away, look for a settings option, often represented by a gear icon. Click on settings and then look for a section labeled integrations inside that settings area. After you arrive in the integration section, you'll see a list of services or tools that Cursor can connect with. This might include third-party apps, development tools, or other services you use regularly. Take a moment to scan through the list and identify the integration you want to connect. If there's a search bar available, you can type the name of the integration to find it more quickly. When you've found the integration you want, click on it to open its details. Here, you'll usually see a short description of what this integration does and how it works with Cursor. This is a good time to confirm that this is indeed the right service and that it matches what you're trying to accomplish. Many integrations will also provide notes about required permissions or what kind of access they'll have to your account or data. Next, look for a button or link labeled something like Connect, Authorize, or Enable. Click that to start the connection process. At this point, you may be redirected to the website of the external service you're integrating. There, you'll typically be asked to sign into that service if you're not already logged in. Make sure you use the correct account, especially if you manage multiple profiles, so that the integration connects to the right data. After signing in, you'll be prompted to grant permissions. Carefully review the access being requested. Usually, these permissions are necessary for Cursor to read or write specific information needed by the integration. If everything looks good, confirm or authorize the connection. The external service will then send you back to Cursor, or you may see a confirmation screen within Cursor itself. Once you're back in the Cursor integration section, check the status of the integration you just connected. It should now show as connected or active. Some integrations may offer additional options such as configuration settings, default behaviors, or toggles to enable or disable specific features. Take a moment to adjust these according to your preferences, then save any changes. To wrap up, verify that everything is working as expected. You might see a test option or a status indicator. If there's a test feature, run it to confirm that Cursor and the integrated service can communicate properly. If you don't see a test button, simply make sure the integration appears in your list as connected and that there are no error messages. That's all you need to do. You've signed in, navigated to the integration section, selected your service, authorized the connection, and confirmed that it's active. You're now ready to take advantage of your new integration within Cursor.